Welcome back. This is John Locke, and today I'm answering a question that a lot of people have asked in the past. It comes up quite often. There is a little bit of confusion about this, but the question is, when you have 404 pages, which is like a URL that no longer exists, and it returns a page not found or file not found on your website, should you 301 redirect all those URLs to your home page? Does it have a benefit to SEO? Does it have an adverse effect on SEO? Now, I know a lot of people, they use plugins or other mechanisms to divert any 404s that occur. So anytime that there's a page that either has a link or a page that used to exist on their site, they divert and permanently redirect those URLs to the home page. Now, I do not like that practice, and I'm going to tell you that I don't think that you should do that. I don't think that you should use a plugin or any other mechanism to 301 redirect just all your 404s to the home page. And I'm going to tell you why. The reason is when Googlebot goes and looks at a page, it remembers what content was on that page before, what the subject matter of that page was, what that page talked about. And when you're redirecting all of them to the home page, it's not very useful for users, but it also sends the wrong type of message to Google. It says basically, not only is this page no longer there, but we're replacing it with something that's not exactly the same. So what I would urge you to do instead is, if you have a whole mass of 404s, you have a whole bunch of page not founds, you have a whole bunch of links that go to pages that don't exist on your site anymore, what I would urge you to do instead is try and find suitable replacements for those pages that are missing or no longer exist on your site. So find other pages besides your home page to divert those to and permanently redirect them to. So if you're going to 301 everything to the home page, stop doing that immediately. What I would like you to do instead is find pages that match closely to the pages that are not there anymore, and do that instead. Because when Googlebot goes to crawl that missing URL and it's going to get redirected to that other page, it's going to say the content is similar enough on both of these pages that we're going to treat it basically as a replacement page, and not you're not trying to consolidate everything into the home page, but basically this other page is now replacing this other page because the content is similar enough. Now, if it's like completely different content, Google is going to say, what's up with that? Something's not right. These are two different subjects, or they're disparate enough in their content to where we're going to second guess this. So be sure to not 301 redirect everything to the home page. Find a suitable replacement. My name is John Locke. My business is Lockdown Design and SEO, and I'm here every single day making videos on SEO. And specifically, if you're in the manufacturing or industrial sector, we can help you out. All right, that's it for now. I'll be back tomorrow with a new video, and until next time, peace.